Hello traders, welcome to In-Depth Trading. In this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to open a live or real account on fpmarkets. I'll also show you on how to do the verification process, and I'll also show you on how to add funds to that account you've created. Then at a later stage, I will also show you on how to link or connect that account you've created to your Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5, such that you'll be able to take trades on your Metatrader. If that's the video you want, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me not waste your time, and let's get started. Okay, below this video there's a link in the description that if you click on it, it will take you to the official website of fpmarkets. So by clicking on it, you'll be avoiding signing up on scam websites on the internet. Okay, so click on that link, you'll be taken to this page. So yeah, you just need to click on open live account because we want to open a live account. You can just confirm, and then you'll be taken to this page where you need to enter your personal information, such as your email, your first name and last name, as well as other things such as your language, your nationality and your phone number. This is pretty easy to fill. I'm pretty sure that you could do it by yourself, but then I will just go and enter this first one, and then I'll also show you on how to fill in these ones. And by the way, if you don't understand English, you have an option to change the language of this page. So just click there and change the language to the language that you prefer. So go on and enter your email, and then yeah, you need to enter your first name. I'll just put a test name. This is a test account. These are not my real details. Okay, now the next step now is to choose the account type, or the type of account that you want to create. Okay, we have three types of them: the individual, the joint and the corporate. The difference between these three is that the individual is for those people that are trading for themselves. If you're trading for yourself, this is the option. You'll choose the individual account, and I think most of you are. Okay, then we have the joint account. This is for two individuals who want to trade a shared account. So if there's two of you who want to trade the same account, you go for the joint account. Then the corporate, this one is straightforward. It's for business entities. If a business wants to grow their financial capital through trading. So I will be trading for myself, so I'll just go and select the individual. Then the country, straightforward, select your country. Let me go select in South Africa, so I'll select South Africa. Just confirm here. And then, are you a United States citizen or United States resident for tax purposes? If that's you, select yes, but I don't have any relationship with the US, so I'll just leave the option to no. Then yeah, select the preferred language. Also select your nationality here. I'll then go and select South Africa again, and then yeah, you'll need to enter your phone number. Let me just enter a wrong phone number here. I can't share my details on the internet, so yeah. And then you get to this option that as go, you're referred by a partner. I'll appreciate if you can select yes, and then enter this code. It will show you that you are referred by me. I really appreciate that. It's 55442, and then after that, click on I'm not a robot, and then click on save and next. Then they will send an OTP to the email that you put here. So click on send OTP, and then it will say OTP successfully sent to your email. So go to that email. You will say new email from fpmarkets. So click on it, and then just copy that OTP code, then go back and then enter that OTP code here, and then click on save and next. And then you will then get to the next stage where they will ask more about you, things such as your date of birth, street number, your address, things such as your identity number, your driver license. This is not a must. If you don't have a driver's license, you can just skip this the driving license part. The identity number, it's a must that you put it, because everyone has one. So this is straightforward. I'm pretty sure you can fill them by yourself, so I'll just go on and fill this and then come back to show you on how you can fill these ones. And by the way guys, please make sure that you enter your correct details here, because at a later stage they will ask documents that will verify that you are indeed who you say you are, and you stay on this address that you entered here. So just make sure you enter your correct details. Okay, let me go and enter this email, and okay, let me go and enter my details and then come back. Okay, now I've entered my details. By the way, these are not my real details, these are fake details, because this video is just for testing purposes. Okay, so now as I've mentioned, you can just skip the driving license part. Then they will ask about your financial information. Are you employed or self-employed? So just select the one that speaks to you. So I'll go and select I'm a student, and then here on the occupation, just confirm that I'm a student again. And then the annual income, let me just select this one. And the source of wealth, if you're employed, you can select if you're employed. If you have doing investment, let me just say inheritance. Then that would be it. So click on save and next. Okay, now we'll get to the interesting part where we need to create this live account. And before I continue to show you what this page is all about, here we will be creating a live account here, but then we are not limited to only trade with this live account. You will be able to create other live accounts that are very different to this one at a later stage. We are not limited to only trade with this one. As you can see that you'll be able to as you can see here, now we are asked to choose a platform. You can select Metatrader 4 for now, but that doesn't mean that all your accounts should be based on Metatrader 4. No, you'll be able to choose any platform that you trade. This goes for the account type as well as your trading currency. This is just one of your live accounts that you'll be creating. So here, the first step is you need to choose which platform you want this trading account to be. You can choose your Metatrader 4, Metatrader 5, which are very popular, your Trader or TradingView. So go and select which one, whichever you want. But for this video purposes, we'll be choosing Metatrader 4. And then you need to choose your account type. We have a standard account and the raw account. For those who don't know the difference, the raw account, it has a lesser spread compared to the standard account, but it has a commission on top of each and every trade. Whereas the standard account has a larger spread compared to the raw account, but it has no commission. So choose whichever you want. So I'll just go and select the standard account. And then here you need to choose the trading currency. Okay, this is the trading currency that your account will balance your profits, your losses will be available in. For example, if I choose US dollars, my trading profits, losses in my account balance will be based on the US dollars. So choose whichever you're familiar with. And then the leverage, I just like higher leverage, so go and select one to favorite. You can select whichever you want, but this one gives you more room to trade. And then here you can just create your password here. Let me just create a password. And then here just confirm it. Then click on save it next. And then you'll then get to this page where they ask they try to find your knowledge and experience in the trading, because trading is very dangerous. You could lose all your profits. So they want people who know their story, who knows how to trade. So you need to fill this questionnaire, all of it. But here's how I will fill it. They'll ask you, do you have any experience in trading? Yes. And then they will ask your experience in trading. So just go and select more than 3 years. And then they will ask you this trick question. Let's say if you deposited an amount you can't afford to lose, and then you lost that amount, how would you feel? This will be a great option to select, because they'll show that you are an emotional person, you're not fit enough to trade. So the options that will be the great for this answer are these two, but I'll go and select this one. That's life, you win some, you lose some. So they understand that you are fit psychological. And then here you need just to read these terms and conditions. And then click on this box, and then click on accept and open an account. Perfect. As you can see, now we have created our trading account. As you can see, we are on this page. As you can see, the details of the account that we've just created, the MT4 standard account, and these are our account details. Okay, but then now there's one thing. As you can see, it says pending activation. Let's just say you want to enter let's just say you want to deposit funds to this account. If you click on this option, it won't allow you to deposit your funds, because first it needs you to verify this account. Okay, so to verify this account, you need to click on profile, and then here just select the documents. Yeah, and then before they can before they can allow you to trade with this account, they will ask you to upload your documents such as your proof of identity. This can be a passport or your government ID or your driver's license. And then you can just click on file chosen, and then you select that ID. Let's say it's this one. And then click on open, and then you need to click on upload. Then here you need to upload the backside of that document that you've chosen here. Okay, then the next one is to upload a document that shows your proof of address. This could be your electricity bill, internet bill, or water bill, or a bank statement, whichever documents that you have that confirms this address that you put here. Yeah, remember I mentioned that please enter your correct details. So upload that. I like to upload the bank statement because it also show my address. So you need to choose that file and then upload it. They should verify the verification is very fast. They should verify your account within hours. It's very easy. Then after they've verified, this pending activation button will be removed and your account will be verified. So the next thing that we have to do now is to deposit funds to this account you have created. And then you will see that if you click on fund account, you'll be able to deposit funds to this account. It's very easy. You can do it by yourself. You just click on fund account, and then the next page will ask you to enter your credit card details, or whichever funding method you want to use. You can use, I think you can use Skrill or PayPal or your debit card. So, and then you enter the amount that you want to transfer to this account, and after that your account balance, after you have done the transaction, then your account balance will change. Means that now the next step will be to link this account to your Metatrader form, so that you can be able to trade on your Metatrader, because we can't trade here on the FP Market site. You need to trade on the platform that you selected. So to do that, let me show it. And by the way, if you can go to your email, you will see that they have sent the details of this account, of this trading account to your email. So let me just go there and confirm. There you go. There they are. As you can see, the level rate we selected. This is the trading account number, as well as the password that I created. Okay, so now the things that we need from here is this one, the trading account number, all of it, the password. The password is the one that you created, and the last one is this server. Okay, so now let's connect this trading account to our Metatrader form. To do that, go and open your Metatrader form, and then on your Metatrader form you need to click on file, and then click on open an account. Don't worry guys, we're not going to open a new account. We just want to add the servers of FP Markets on this account, on this Metatrader form. Okay, so to do that, click on this green plus icon here, and then just search FP Markets, and then click on scan. Yep, as you can see now, more new servers of FP Markets just popped up. As you can see, the FP Markets LLC demo, all the servers that are used by FP Markets will appear here. Okay, now you can't just select any server here. You need to select the server that belongs to your account. How do you see it? Let's go back to our email. The server that we need is this one, FP Markets SC Live 3. So we'll then go select that server, and while we're still on this page, let's just copy this account number and also take note of that server live stream. Then go back to your Metatrader form. As you can see, there is our server that we need that belongs to our account. Select that server and then click on next. And by the way, please just wait for it to turn green before you can click next. And then here we will click on exiting trade account, because we've already created our trading account. We won't open a new real account. And then on the login, just paste that trading logins we copied on our email, and then the password. This is the password that you created for this account, so just enter it and then click on finish. Just wait for it. Yes, yeah, as you can see, yes, as you can see, we have successfully connected our trading account to this Metatrader form. As you can see, these are the confirmation details, and if you go to the trade, our balance is still at 0, because we have not deposited funds on this account as of yet. Also, as you can see there, these are your details of the accounts. That's your account ID, and FP Markets. As you can see, that this is the account that you have created. So at this point, if you deposited your account, you'll be able to execute trades and then start trading on this Metatrader form. I'm pretty sure you know how to open trades and stuff. And by the way, if you don't know Metatrader that much, to add trading symbols here, we need to click on view and then click on symbols. And then you can select the forex pairs. If you trade forex, the pairs that you want to trade, these are the pairs that belongs to FP Markets. So you can just double click there, all of the pairs that you want to trade. Can do that. Also for metals, if you like to trade gold, it's already selected. And indices such as UK 100, and just click close. As you can see, they will appear here. Then you can just start drag and dropping them there. Yes, and then start trading. Other than that, this is the end of the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you need assistance, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to assist you. And other than that, happy trading.